Okay, this is one of those insurance problems that we saw in section 12.5. So if you want to look back at your notes for 12.5, we had problems about homeowners insurance, car insurance. Here we go with boat insurance. A deductible is something that you have to pay if you get into an accident. That's the customer's share of paying for the accident. If the deductible is less than the cost of repairs, then they have to chip in the full amount, $500. So in both cases, the deductible is less than the cost of the repairs. So you would have to pay the $500 or the $900. Okay? That's pretty much all we need of that $1,000. The $1,000 is no longer used in this problem, so you can now ignore it. All we know is if you get in an accident, you have to pay $500 with option A and $900 with option B in your deductible. In option A, you also have to pay a premium per year. That's money you must pay whether or not you get into an accident. In option B, is the premium, or your annual amount, more or less than $470? Just kidding, less. It's only $419. So far, option B is cheaper because the premium is lower. But let's see what happens if in option A, you also have to pay $500, but people only get into boating accidents or issues or damages what percent of the time? So you multiply that by 12%. We're theorizing that you only have to pay that much 12% of the time. With option B, you have to kick in more, so it looks like the once cheaper plan is now going to cost more, but again, that's only 12% of the time. So we're going to weigh these two options against each other. 470 plus 500 times 0.12 versus 419 plus 900 times 0.12. So what did we get for option A? 530. B? 527. So it looks like option B will be about $3 cheaper on average because the lower premium outweighed the higher deductible. It ends up being cheaper this way. Some people may still opt for option A if they don't want to have to pay this much out of pocket when something bad happens. Okay? But I would be looking for your answers here. Which decision you make would be up to you.